guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. In today's video, I am going to do another version of the Akhuni Chutney. Akhuni, or the fermented soya beans. It is a drier version of the previous chutney that I had made, and it is a Naga chutney and it's absolutely delicious. The ingredients required to make Akhuni chutney are 1 cup of fermented soya beans, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, and salt for taste. First things first, let's add some oil and cook the fermented beans until soft. The beans have turned beautiful golden brown and they are soft. Let's take it off the flame and allow it to cool. Let's puncture holes in our chili and let's roast them. You can even use a tawa to roast them. And make sure you do not make use of any oil, dry roast them. The smell of the roasted chilies always make me happy. They smell so good. The chilies are ready. Let's pound them into paste. Our akhuni has cooled down. Now let's add it to the chili paste and along with ginger and pound it to coarse powder. Don't forget the salt. If you are feeling a little bit too adventurous, you can use bhoot jolokia instead of the regular chili. Bhoot jolokia is one of the hottest chilies in the world, and Nagas absolutely love bhoot jolokia, and they add bhoot jolokia to everything. I don't know how they handle it. It's so spicy. And did you know that bhoot jolokia actually translates as ghost pepper? Bhoot as in ghost and jolokia as in pepper. So bhoot jolokia. I'm not feeling adventurous, so I will avoid using this since I have to travel tomorrow. Our chutney is ready and it smells amazing. The first time I had Akhuni chutney was not at a Naga friend's house but at an Arunachali friend's house, and she made it in a completely different way. And perhaps in my next video I will show you how to make Akhuni chutney Arunachali style. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And